In Qortal, groups and messaging bring the community together. Whether you're looking to join a group, create one, or simply explore, here's how it all works. On Qortal Hub, if you're not part of any group, your first step is going to be to join one. You can do so by navigating to the chat tab on the left-hand side. Here you must click Group Management, and you'll be presented with three options: either to create a group, find a group, or accept a group invite. If you're not sure which group to join, consider going back to the homepage and scrolling down to the group promotions. This is where admins are marketing for new members to join their groups. See if any of these match your interests. I will head back to the chat tab, open Group Management, and I will try to find a group. For this example, I will join this group, .cypherpunks. I will click Join Group. I must accept a small transaction fee. And when it is successful, we'll be notified down here, successfully requested to join the group. Please be aware that private groups, such as the ones shown with a green lock icon, you must be admitted into them before you can join them. For public groups with a red icon, you do not need to be admitted in and you join automatically. Another major difference between public and private groups is that in private groups, all messages within that group are encrypted, meaning that only the members within the group can decrypt them and read them. For public groups, this is not the case. We will close this. And once we're admitted into .cypherpunks, it will appear here in our list of joined groups. For now, we do not have any groups, which is why we do not see anything. But once we are admitted, if and when, we will see it over here on the left-hand side. So we're back on the group management page, and we've been admitted into a group called Testa. Let's see the different options we have when inside a group. So first I will click on Testa. And the first obvious option is the ability to chat. Given that this group is private, which you can see here with the green lock icon, this means that all messages found within this group are encrypted, meaning that any member that's outside this group cannot decrypt those messages and cannot read them. So that's the first thing. The second thing is the announcement tab, where you could see announcements made for the members from the admins of that group. Threads, which works almost like a forum, which is better for persistent messaging lasting more than 24 hours, because for now, messages inside chats only last 24 hours. Members, where you can see the list of members in the group, as well as leave the group if you so choose. And then admins, which is reserved only for the admins of the group, where they can create an admin key, for example, and trade materials only between themselves. So these are the different options you have when inside a group on Qortal Hub. Groups and messaging are the heart of the Qortal ecosystem. Join, create, and engage, all in a decentralized way, like never before.